We've commenced repolishing of this existing stamp concrete design floor right here in this facility. As you can see, this is stamp concrete design floor Vicxximconcept Ltd. You can see a very big difference from the former black, polishing that was applied here. What we've used here as a professional, we've, used gray. So we've assessed the painting of this facility and those gray along the gate here. So we decided to go, with gray. You can see a difference. You can see a difference with these two, sides with polish. Stamp concrete floor Vicxximconcept Ltd.